Is your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob not working? First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. Santa Fe fobs typically use a CR2032 battery. To replace it, gently pry open the fob, swap the old battery with a new one, and snap it back together. If a battery change doesn't solve the issue, the fob might need to be relearned or resynchronized with your car. For 2013-2025 models, try this. Rapidly cycle the ignition. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine, then back off, 15 times within 30 seconds. Then, press the lock or unlock button on the fob. This process reprograms the body control module, BCM, and often restores functionality. As of 2025, over 80% of key fob issues are resolvable with these simple DIY steps. If battery replacement and relearning don't work, the problem might be with the car's antenna. The antenna receives signals from the key fob. Antenna problems often arise from corrosion or water damage. Diagnosis typically requires a professional who can check the signal strength using a multimeter or scanner. Antenna repairs sometimes mean replacing the BCM, which can cost between $500 and $1,000. Looking ahead, trends point to increased digital key integration, with newer Santa Fe models supporting smartphone-based keys via NFC Bluetooth. Battery life is also improving. AI-driven diagnostics within the Hyundai BlueLink app are on the horizon, potentially eliminating the need for relearning procedures by 2028. Despite advancements, be aware of cybersecurity risks and ensure your Hyundai software is up to date with the latest encryption.